If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we are solving previous year JEE Main questions on hyperbola. So today we will be solving 3 questions, question number 1, 2 and then 3. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, so if you come to question number 1, the equation of the chord joining 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2 on the rectangular hyperbola, this one. So your hyperbola is this one. You have 2 points on that. Suppose this is one rectangular hyperbola. 2 points are given x1, y1, x2, y2. No need to draw also, but still I am drawing. You have to find the equation of this chord. So because these two are the point on this one, so these two should satisfy. So this one you write it down, these two should satisfy. Then the ratio of this one x1 by x2 will be equal to y2 by y1. Same. And let that ratio is equal to k. So what is the equation of point connecting 2 points? This is easy. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Now you can put all this. If you put it like this, suppose your y2 is equal to y1 into k. So if you take y1, it is k minus 1, and your x1 is equal to x2 into k. So if you take x2 common, so it is 1 minus k, x minus x1. So k and 1 minus k will go on, leaving a minus sign. So there will be, if you remove these two, there you have to give a minus sign. 1 minus k I have taken common. Now if you take product of these two, you will get something of this fashion. If you take product, then x2y minus y1 x2 is equal to minus y1 x plus x1 y1. So if I take this one, suppose x I am bringing this side, so it is plus y1 x, and here if you take y1 common, so it is x1 plus x2. So if you divide by y1 x1 plus x2, so it will be x2y by y1 x1 plus x2. And it is, if you see your options, if you see all the options, it is divided x1, x2, x1 minus x2 or something. That's why I am dividing this side. So this side should be 1 because they have kept this side 1, trying to make it similar as your options. So if you divide this one, so it is x by x1 plus x2, which is equal to your 1. So now you have to think about these two. So you can replace from here all these values, because in the option x by x1 plus x2 is the option is there, but in that case you need to have y by y1 y2. So you have to replace this x in terms of y. So if you replace this one, suppose it is x2 y1, and you replace this one as also as x2. So if you can find x1 is equal to, what will be x1 from these two? X1 will be equal to x2 into y2 by y1. So x2 into y2 by y1 plus x2. So now from here you can take x2 common, it will be y by, and if you take LCM, y1 y1 will get cancelled, y by y. So you got this answer. That is your option A. So that you have to, after doing something, because this is also your answer, one can stop here also, one can stop here, one can stop here, one can stop here, but you have to check where is your answer given. So you have to convert it in that form. The foci of this ellipse and the hyperbola, this coincides, then the value of the b square. So what is the foci of this ellipse? This ellipse and the foci of the hyperbola. This ellipse we don't know the orientation, but this hyperbola we know because it is minus. So this hyperbola will this fashion. So these focis are there. So your ellipse should also be like this. So the focis are coinciding. So ellipse are like this. So this ordinate is nothing but we know AE. This is AE. Okay, this is the, so AE is equal to, and in case of foci it is also AE, but that A is different. So let me write it A dash, E dash. These two are different. So what is A? A is given for the first one. For the first one, A is your 4. So this is 4 into E is here under root 1 minus, because it is ellipse. So it is b square by 16. What is A dash here? A dash is here 12. What is E dash? 1 plus under root b square by, because this side you have to be 1 by 25 is there, so it is not exactly 12. So you have to be very careful here. It is x square by 144 minus y square by 81 is equal to 1 by 25. So you have to multiply by 25 so that it becomes 1. So here you can write it to divided by 25 minus y square 81 by 25. So this is your A, this is your B. So your A dash here is 12 by 5 because it is A square, under root 1 plus b square by a square. 81 by 25 divided by 144 by 25. 25 get cancelled. Now I think you can easily solve it. If you solve it, you will find your b square is equal to 7. That is your option C. I am not doing it. Take whole square both sides, change the sign, then it will automatically come. Now if you come to 3, the locus of the point alpha beta moving under the condition that this is a tangent of this hyperbola. Okay, so the tangent of the equation is given y equal to alpha x plus beta. It should be the tangent of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So what is the condition for tangent to be hyperbola y equal to mx plus c? Y equal to mx plus minus a square m is here alpha square, then plus b square minus, here it was minus a square alpha square minus b square. Okay, so now you can see, because these two should be same line, so this should be equal to this, or you can 1 by 1 alpha by alpha should be equal to this. So your beta should be equal to alpha square a square minus b square. So if you take y square, that is beta square alpha square a square minus b square. Now what is the locus of, now they are asking the locus of the point P alpha beta. So you have to find the equation between alpha beta. So I got the equation of alpha beta. You replace just x square a square minus y square is equal to b square. So what does it look like? It look like a hyperbola. So divide by b square, so it is x square by something minus y square by something equal to 1. So it is a hyperbola. That is your option D. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.